Welcome to another stock market update after the market closed 10th of March 2023. So this was obviously a bad week for the market, and it wasn't one that I expected, and that's really because it was a black swan week with the Silicon Valley Bank collapsing and this fear of that contagion spreading elsewhere. Those things can happen out of the blue and they can ruin all the best laid plans. One of which was that this downtrend, it still was over, but if it could the market can just stay above that moving average there, the 4-week moving average, things could have got back on track, but broke a critical level of support. And now only this one remains here, at this line here, around 3855, which is right where the S&P is right now. So if it can hold above that this week, I think that will be a positive. I think all we can hope for now this week is just a consolidation and a calming down. But if that line breaks at the end of the week, come Friday, then look out below. Things are going lower. Let's check into the daily chart here. We had this golden cross here, which was a positive sign, but this sell-off on heavy volume down here, it really was just a blind panic on Friday because, as I say, because of the unexpected Silicon Valley Bank debacle, which is still unfolding, I think. So we are not in a bear market as such because the downtrend broke, but nor are we obviously in a bull market. We're still in what I call a fox market. It was a transitioning market. Let's check in with the Dow Jones, and that's agreeing. That broke below its critical moving average, and the Dow was the one leading things out of the dump. The Nasdaq, which was the weaker of all of them, is it's got closed below its 40-week moving average. Again, not a good sign. And all the averages are agreeing with that. The small cap index, the Russell, below its 40-week. So my conclusion for the big picture and the week ahead is as follows. We are still, as I say, in a transitioning situation. It's neither we're certainly not a bull, and it's not a bear either because that downtrend was broken, and we're still trying to figure out, what is this? It's somewhere in the middle. It's not trending down. It's not trending up. But for this week, I'm going to give it the bear because it's just too much uncertainty still, and that was obviously very shaky action on Friday. Having said that, this week really could go anyway. So that's all for this week. I will speak to you next time.